We often search for health and longevity in complicated solutions. But the truth is, our bodies are designed to thrive. Today, we're going back to basics and exploring 8 simple yet powerful lessons from nature to unlock your optimal health and longevity. 1. Embrace your body's innate healing wisdom. Your body has an innate wisdom and power to heal itself. It just needs the right tools. Water, essential for every bodily function. Herbs, nature's medicine cabinet. And natural hormones, the body's chemical messengers for balance. 2. Nourish with nature's abundance. Food is medicine. Focus on whole, minimally processed foods that nourish and energize.